Nice, beautiful, chilly morning here in Vermont. I just wanted to show you the big snowbank here. And start making some stuff. Our lights gotta get the heat on. And see, I have to do some decorating and make some more stuff. That's our heat pump. Turn that on. What are we at? Let's put it up there. It says 64, but I could turn some lights on. Yeah, see, I have quite a bit that I have to make. I was just rearranging my soaps and stuff like that. And welcome. Today I am making my lavender chamomile shower steamers, and I'm doing that because I had another request for about 40 of them. So I'm going to make some for the shop and then to fill an order, but I want to show you a little bit of my day and see what I do to run a skincare business with a retail shop and then an online business, and while making product and stuff like that. So come with me today. This is a relaxing video, so get your favorite cup of tea like lavender chamomile, sit back and relax and watch me make some lavender chamomile shower steamers. This looks really good. That's the color there, and I'm just going to test it, and I'm sure it'll stick together. And yes, it does. So I'll have plenty of time to make quite a few of these shower steamers. So I'm thinking about growing some more lavender plants. I have some Munstead that I grew, and I think that it's time for them to maybe I have to prune them out. So I'm going to try to have some more videos coming up, and it'll be like the summertime when we get closer to that season of lavender and pruning and harvesting and all that good stuff. So I'll continue with that series there, and you can check out my playlist if you are interested in growing lavender at all, and I do have projects that I've made, like the lavender sugar, and I've made some lavender bundles. Those are selling really well. People really love them. And I want to have something, so what they could do after the, when they're done with the lavender bundles, if they feel like they don't want to use it anymore, there's other things that you can do with it. So I want to have a video on that. And if you have any videos that you would like me to make or go into more detail on things, just let me know. What I'm going to do here is just put that on so it doesn't evaporate as quickly. Quite a bit in here, and I have a big batch, so when I get to the end of it, it gets really, really crumbly. So the lady requested 40, and I think she's in Illinois. And then I have another lady that's in Illinois, and she orders quite a bit of my stuff. So big shout out to you, Peggy. Thank you if you're watching. Really enjoy your product reviews. She even went on to Google and she left a review. I was like, that's so cool. Sometimes I think it's hard for people to actually leave a review, so I have instructions on my website. It's on the FAQ page and how to leave a review. So it just makes it easier for people to learn how to do that. And she even, the lady from Peggy there, she even puts a photo. She even puts a photo with her product review. I just love it. So it's really cool because, now I can see, okay, hey, this is how she's using it. It's pretty cool. All right, now it's time to flip. So I just put the cutting board on this and I flip it over. These are pretty, huh? They smell wonderful. Okay, so here's a little test, and that's what the shower steamer does. It foams and it fizzes, and you just add a little bit of water. Goes right down the drain. It doesn't leave a stain at all on your tub or shower, and it has beautiful aromatherapy benefits, calms your mind and your spirit, and makes for a nicer, more relaxing shower. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something about making shower steamers and a little bit about my process and how I get the store ready for customers. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video, which is if you want to make lavender chamomile shower steamers, I'll have it here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.